This is a short video on the proper installation of VAP-X nuts and ferrules. There are 3 parts to the nut and ferrule. Make sure that when you attach the parts to the end of the tubing, they are in the proper order and orientation as you see in the middle and right pictures. After tightening the nut, you can reuse the nut many times without the risk of the nut falling off the end of the tubing. Then connect the nut to the cylinder fitting and the nozzle. Wrench tighten, but do not over tighten. If you over tighten, you run the risk of cutting the tubing and the hose will disconnect while applying VAP-X. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Cardinal representative. Thank you very much.